is for apple, so round and red, it's crunchy and sweet. B is for ball, we throw and we catch, bounce it up high, it's quite the match. C is for cat, so soft and so small, it purrs and it plays, it loves to crawl. D is for dog, it barks and it runs, it loves to play fetch and have lots of fun. E is for elephant, big and gray, with giant ears, it swings its trunk all day. F is for fish that could swim in the sea, they wiggle and splash so happy and free. F is for grapes, purple and sweet, pop them in your mouth, they're the best treat. H is for house with a roof so tall, it keeps us safe and warm through it all. I is for ice cream, cold and creamy, with sprinkles on top, it's super dreamy. J is for jump, up and down, we bounce to the beat all over town. K is for kite, flying so high, it sails in the breeze way up in the sky. L is for lion, so strong and brave, with a loud roar, it's the jungle's fave. M is for monkey, swinging on trees, it laughs and it plays and eats bananas with ease. N is for nest, where birds like to stay, they lay their eggs and chirp all day. O is for octopus with 8 wiggly arms, it moves through the water with all its charms. P is for penguin sliding on ice, it waddles and flaps looking so nice. Q is for queen with the crown on her head, she rules her castle and goes to bed. R is for rainbow with colors so bright, it arches across the sky, what a beautiful sight. S is for sun, shining so high, it warms up the day way up in the sky. T is for turtle, so slow and so wise, it carries its home and takes its time to rise. U is for umbrella, that opens up wide, it keeps us dry when it's raining outside. V is for volcano, it erupts with might, lava flows down, lighting up the night. Watermelon, so juicy and sweet, take a big bite, it's the best summer treat. X is for xylophone with keys so bright, tap it with sticks, it makes music light. I is for yo-yo, spinning around, up and down, it makes a fun sound. Z is for zebra with stripes black and white, it runs through the grass in the bright sunlight.